Hey guys, I hope all of you are fine and doing well in your lives. Friends, my today's video is extremely stylish and creative for you because in this video I am sharing a stylish, beautiful, trendy and easy to make hand embroidery design ideas of shirts. You can embroider these patterns onto your shirts, sweatshirts, t-shirts, onto your summer outfits to look trendy, stylish and classy on a beachy vacation, and many more creative outfits like for a funky creative touch to your office outfits and many more. So all of these design ideas are totally based on a combination of beginner friendly, easy to make hand embroidery stitches, and you can simply make these stitches by the use of threads like anchor, DMC, or even you can use thin wool for making these embroidery patterns. I hope that you like my today's video, and if you are new to my channel or haven't subscribed my channel, or you are watching my video for the very first time, then please don't forget to subscribe my channel. While subscribing, press the bell icon so that you could remain notified with the latest updates and uploads of my channel. And on my channel you can get a design ideas of a larger scale variety items. You can get trendy ideas related to mehndi designs, henna applications, nail art, girls fashionable accessories, mobile case design ideas, home decor like bed sheets, pillow covers, cushion design ideas, and not only this, all type of ethnic, eastern and western dressing styling ideas, handwork, hand art, fabric painting, thread painting, embroidery patterns, machine embroidery, and many more creative ideas related to women fashion, stitching ideas, stitching patterns, dress designing vlogs, baby dress designing ideas, footwear, crochet design items, and many more related to women fashion. So stay tuned and keep watching our content and keep supporting us as you always have been, and with your love and support we are able to grow up into a remarkable number of YouTube friends and family members, and we want your continuous support to grow up into a significant larger number. So stay blessed, stay tuned for latest upcoming new more videos. Up till then, take care, and please make a habit of leaving comments below my videos so that we could get to know what you feel about my content, and please share my videos with your friends and family.